NASA InSight spacecraft captures eerie audio of sound of Martian wind on Mars. NASA's InSight spacecraft has captured unworldly sounds from Mars, caused by wind moving over the lander's solar panels. NASA's InSight spacecraft on Mars has caught unworldly sounds on the planet. The sound of wind moving over the lander can be heard in a video, where data has been raised by 2 octaves to make it more audible. The data was captured by the spacecraft sensors and a seismometer, rather than a microphone, as the wind caused vibrations to move over the lander's solar panels. It is the first ever time the sound has been recorded on Mars, according to NASA, and can be heard as a deep yet unworldly rumble. NASA investigator of the InSight mission said, "Capturing this audio was an unplanned treat, but one of the things our mission is dedicated to is measuring motion on Mars, and naturally that includes motion caused by sound waves. To me, the sounds are really unworldly. They do sound like the wind or maybe the ocean kind of roaring in the background." InSight science team member and sensor designer at Imperial College London explained, "The InSight lander acts like a giant ear. The solar panels on the lander's sides respond to pressure fluctuations of the wind. It's like InSight is cupping its ears and hearing the Mars wind beating on it. When we looked at the direction of the lander vibrations coming from the solar panels, it matches the expected wind direction at our landing site."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.